1.5 His first flight. Summary of the story. Friends, this story, His First Flight, has been written by an Irish novelist and short story writer, Liam O'Flaherty. This is a story of a young seagull. He had feared to fly. You know it very well by its name, seagull, that these birds, seagulls, live on and around seas, oceans, and bays. Sea fish is their major food. The life on sea is risky. All parent seagulls want their young ones to be confident and self reliant in getting food. And for that purpose, they must be skilled in the art of flying, diving, and fishing. They must not be afraid of flying, soaring on the gigantic sea surface. But here in this story, the young seagull has no confidence to fly. He is afraid of flying. He is standing on the cliff, means the ledge. His siblings, two brothers and a sister, can fly, soar, dive, and fish on the sea. He also tried by flapping his wings, but due to fear, failed. His parents wanted to make him confident and self reliant. Without the art of flying over sea, it was not possible. They became stern. The young seagull spent the whole night in the brink under the ledge. The parent seagull scolded him to starve if he does not fly. But he was so afraid to fly that he could not move. His parents became more stern. They left him alone for 24 hours, means a day. His siblings also did not go to see him. Besides him, his family, means his parents and siblings, were flying over the sea, diving and fishing. The next day, they taunted the seagull, the young seagull, that he was timid or coward. As the sun started to ascend in the sky, he started to feel very hot. He was without food since previous nightfall. He pretended to fall asleep, but his parents neglected it. He observed that his brothers and sister were dozing, means sleeping for short time or taking naps. His father was cleaning his own feathers. None was paying attention to him besides his mother. She tore a piece of fish. On seeing his mother tearing fish, he cried and urged her to give him some food. She responded him by screaming as if he was stupid, but he continued to call her sorrowfully. Then for a moment he felt very happy, thinking that his mother was bringing him a piece of fish. He tried to come out of the brink slightly. She flew closer to him, but suddenly she stopped motionless. He was surprised. Why his mother suddenly became motionless and did not come nearer to him? He was extremely hungry, and finally he spread his wings and he flew. His mother dived after him. His father flew over him. His siblings were flying around him. The young seagull forgot that he was unable to fly. He started to dive, soar, and curve. He was flying and cawing with pleasure. This was his first flight. He succeeded in his life to fly. He became self reliant. His confidence was boosted. Friends, this story gives an important lesson to the children and their parents. The ultimate goal of every teenager and youth should be to become self reliant in case of survival. For that sake, one needs to study, learns various skills, life skills, and become confident and fearless in life. The lesson for the parents is they must not pamper their children in their teenage. The parents have to be, to some extent, stern to teach their children life skills and make them self reliant instead of pampering. Thank you.